So we have something really cool today. If you're nostalgic about your tech, I think you're going to be really interested in this. So this has been sent to us from Grid Studio, and essentially it's an exploded Apple Watch. So I'm going to unbox it now and then we'll take a good look at it. So let's get into the box here. Wow, and I really like their packaging. So we've got a little envelope here. It says every classic deserves to be framed. And I think you're going to be really surprised how cool this looks. I really like the kind of ink stamp they've done here. So let's open this up, see what's inside here. We've got a little card. Kind of shows how they make the product, which is really, really cool. A little photo there, that's stamped as well. We've got a little history about the brand, a chance to win a limited edition frame of the iPhone. And then we've got, oh, this is really nice. It's like a history of the iPhone. So you can see that they've actually built this historical piece out with pictures of Steve Jobs and the whole Apple firm, and just telling you about the history of the iPhone, which is really cool. I like that. It's really nice they've gone to this level of detail for this kind of product. So let's put that to one side. Now we can see here we have got a picture frame hook. And then I'm going to take this out of this box. Let's get this out of the way. And then we've got the Grid logo branded packaging. And they've packaged it really well for essentially what is a kind of a tech fans product. This is framed like something you'd get from a very designer outlet store. So I'm going to rip into this. Okay, let's open that. Really looking forward to seeing this. So essentially, wow, there we go. So let's just get rid of the packaging there. I'm going to take off the cellophane here so you can see it a little bit better. Gotta love the sound of that. And the reason we got this, by the way, is we're doing a new studio for Buckle & Band, and I wanted something really nice on the wall, a real nice piece of art. And I was looking for something Apple Watch related, and I just came across this. I think I got hit by one of their adverts and I was just blown away. This is something that really, really appeals to me. It's artistic, it's nostalgic, and it's just going to look great in the studio. And I think even for you, if you've got a bedroom and office, they do different ones. So they do ones for gaming, for iPhones, smartphones, smartwatches. And as you can see, this is the Apple Watch version. And just look at that. How nice does that look? Just the detail they've gone into here. So let's take a look at this. Essentially what they do is kind of like an exploded view of a product, but with the actual product. You know, sometimes you see these things on Reddit or Pinterest and they're actually been done by an illustrator. This has actually been done by them. So they've actually taken a real Apple Watch and taken all of the elements out. So we can see they've got the Taptic engine, they've got the power button, the breakdown of that, the speaker system, the tiny battery that's in an Apple Watch, the S1 chip, the anodized exterior. They've got an Apple Watch strap there, heart rate sensor. So even if you're a bit geeky like me, it's actually cool to see all of the innards of what makes up a product. And you've got a bit of history there. It says the Apple Watch introduced on April the 24th, 2015. So we're gonna hold this in pride and place in the new Buckle & Band studio that we're gonna be building over the next few months. And I just wanted to do a thank you because the company sent it in for us. This isn't a paid review, but I did reach out to them and say I was looking for a really cool piece of artwork. I saw the Apple Watch version, which I really loved, and they said they would send it over, you know. So I really do thank them a lot. The website is Grid Studio CC. Check them out. I'll put their Instagram, I'll put all the links in the description below as well. But let me know what you think of this. Check out the other ones they do. I'll put up a few shots here of their website where you can see the ones they do for the iPhone and other devices. Just looks really cool. So a big thank you to Grid Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.